Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to discuss about polynomials and its types. And with this we will discuss that which expressions are polynomial and which are not, and we are going to discuss about degrees of the polynomial also. Now we can start it with the example of algebraic expression. Now all of you know that in algebra, if there is any unknown value, we take any variable for that, like x, y, z, a, b, c. We can denote any variable for a particular value. Now when I write 5x, now what is 5x? It's an algebraic expression. It's an algebraic expression where 5 is a number, where 5 is a number or numeral, and x is a variable which can take any value. Okay, x can any value here, like we can suppose if you take the value of x as 0, so 5 into 0 will become 0. If you take the value of x as minus 1, so it will become minus 5. If you take value as 2, okay, so it will become 10. If you take value of x as 1 by 2, then it will become 5 upon 2. So you can see that according to the value of x, the final value of algebraic expression is changing. That's why it is known as variable. Now if these kind of variables are combined with plus sign or minus sign, then we get a polynomial. Single 5x is also an example of polynomial. Here in this polynomial 5x plus 3y, there are two terms and 5x is having one term. Okay, we can take one more example, 3x square plus 7y plus 8. So this polynomial is having three terms and it is having two variables, x and y. Okay, so hope you have understood that what are polynomial. Now next thing is, what is polynomial in one variable? So when I write 5x plus 3y, it's a polynomial in two variable because there are two different variable x and y. But if I write 3x square plus 7, it is having only one variable, that is x, so it's a polynomial in one variable. Or you can write 3x square plus 5x plus 7. It is also an example of polynomial in one variable because it is having only x. Only the difference is that here x is having power 2 and here x is power 1. So it's a polynomial in one variable. And this is the polynomial, this one is polynomial in two variable. Now we'll discuss that which expressions are polynomial and which are not. If I'm writing 5 root x plus 7, so it will not be a polynomial because here on variable there is root. Now this expression can be written as 5x raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 7. So these two are same. So it is also not an example of polynomial. 5 upon x plus 3 or anything you can write, it is also not an example of polynomial. This can be written as 5x raised to the power minus 1 plus 3. So these type of expressions are not polynomial where the power of variable is in fraction, or you can say it is in root, square root, cube root, whatever, or it is a variable is having power negative. Then these expression will not be polynomial. Take care of this thing. Now next thing is that what are the different types of polynomials. Okay, on the basis of their terms, we are talking about on the basis of their terms. So monomial, a monomial is having only one term. Here 5x is a monomial. Binomial, when it is having two term, like 5x square plus 3x square, it's a binomial. Now if it is having three term, like you can write 5x square plus 3x plus 7, so it's a trinomial. And if more than three terms, it can have more than three terms also. In that case, we will term it as polynomial only. Okay, so on the basis of terms, now here a binomial can have two different variables also. Okay, like it is an example of binomial. But here we are going to discuss only about polynomial in one variable. Now, if I write 7, so 7 is also a polynomial. Any number is also a polynomial, and that is a monomial. Now, how this 7 is a polynomial or any number is a polynomial like this 7? Now, this 7 can be written as 7x raised to the power 0 or any variable you can take. Now, you know that x raised to the power 0 value of this will be 1, so it will become 7. So, any number which you write, all these are also polynomials. So here I am writing some numbers. All these are polynomials, and these are polynomial means these are monomials. Okay, you can write any variable and raise to the power 0, and these are known as constant polynomial. Okay, now why these are constant polynomial? Because their degree is 0. Now we'll talk about the polynomials on the basis of their degrees. Now, what are degrees? Let me tell you about degree. When you write any polynomial, like suppose if you are writing 5x square plus 7x plus 3, now its degree will be 2. Now, why its degree is 2? Because here the highest power of x is 2. Here I am talking about only polynomial in one variable. So, the degree of this polynomial is 2. If I write 7x plus 1, so its degree will be 1 because the highest power of x is 1. If I write 3x cube plus 7x square plus 2, its degree will be 3 because highest power of x is 3. Now in case of constant polynomial like 7, we can write it as 7x 0, x raised to the power 0, so its degree is 0. So it is constant polynomial. So now we will discuss about types of polynomials on the basis of their degrees. If the degree is 0, okay, if the degree is 0, it's a constant polynomial like 5. Now 5 is a constant polynomial and its degree will be 0 because 5 can be written as 5x raised to the power 0. Now if I am writing 7x plus 3, so its degree is 1 and it is known as linear polynomial. Okay, now if I write 3x square plus 2, now its degree is 2, so it is called as quadratic. It is known as quadratic. We can take one more example, like if I write 3x cube plus 7, its degree is 3, so it is called as cubic. So these are various types of polynomial: constant, linear, quadratic, cubic. There is one more, 0. Now 0 is also a polynomial, but it is not a constant polynomial. 0 is a 0 polynomial and its degree is not defined. I hope you have understood about the different type of polynomials on the basis of their degrees. Now next I will talk about standard form of a polynomial. That is very important. If I write 5x plus 7x square plus 3, so it's a polynomial in one variable and its degree is 2, so it's a quadratic polynomial, but it is not in standard form. In standard form we will write it like this: 7x square plus 5x plus 3 means the term which contains highest power of variable, that should be written in left, then this, then this. So it's a standard form. So wherever you are going to perform division and all that, you have to write these terms in standard form. Okay, now next thing is that in next video we are going to discuss about zeros of the polynomial.